everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious fish biryani. The fish I'm going to use, it will be wild Alaskan sockeye salmon fish. I always list my ingredient list under description, so please check it out. Basmati rice. Prior to cooking, I'll wash it with cold water. When we're going to cook the rice, these are the ingredients we're going to use. Bay leaves, biryani masala, olive oil, cumin seed and salt. Green chili, cilantro, coriander leaf, dhania, mint, pudina, fried onion and bell pepper, capsicum. These are the things we're going to use for the marination. Homemade dahi, olive oil, degi mirt and salt. Olive oil for tadka, red onion, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, green chili paste, biryani masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. When we make a biryani, it's very important to use this ingredient, which called kevra water. Red, orange food color. I'll mix food color with the kevra water. Saffron, this will be strictly optional. Please try it and you will like it. Milk and lemon juice. For the food color, I add it into the kevra water. If you don't find kevra water, then just use the water. And as you see, the saffron color. So let's start marinating fish. This is what I have done with the Alaskan sockeye salmon. I cut into this size pieces. And now we're going to get another mixing bowl. Bring salt, degi mirt, olive oil, homemade dahi, mix it. Add cilantro, dhania, mint, fried onion. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is going to be our marination. Add salmon fish. Mix it well. Once all the pieces are nicely coated with the marination, cover it, put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Start gas, get a big pot, add water. Cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. As our water is boiling, I'll start another burner and we're going to get another pot. And this is where we're going to prepare our tadka. Add olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Mix it. Cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion. Mix it well. Cook onion until nicely translucent. The tadka is getting cooked. The water started to boil. I'll open the lid. What I have done with the rice, I wash with cold water and we'll put it in. I put it into the strainer and drain the water. Now we're going to add cumin, jeera, biryani masala, olive oil, salt, bay leaves and mix it well. The whole reason we added biryani masala into rice, so that when we're going to eat biryani, it's going to taste really well. And now it's very important. Cover with the lid. And we're going to cook only 3 minutes. When you're cooking biryani, the timing is very important. Other side, our tadka is almost cooked. The onions are nicely translucent and we're going to add tomato. Mix it well. Keep mixing and keep cooking. Bring your gas to medium, spread it evenly, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. It's exactly 3 minutes cooking on a high flame. This is how the rice looks. They are half cooked, and as you can see, the water is there. It's important steps when you are making biryani. The timing. It's all about timing. Now cover with the lid and bring your gas to simmer, which is low, and we're going to keep it on simmer exactly 5 minutes. Then we're going to turn off the heat. And on the other side, it's a 3 minute. I'll open it. Mix it. The tomatoes are mellow down, and you can match it like this. I'll add all the spices. Coriander powder, biryani masala, turmeric powder, haldi, cumin powder. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Now bring your gas to simmer. Add bell pepper. Mix it. I'll add fish. The fish has been marinated. Make sure that we scoop out all the marination. Now mix it well. Now we are cooking on simmer, which is low heat. Spread it evenly, cover with the lid, and cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes on a simmer, which is low heat. It's so good, so delicious. And if we look at our rice, wow, look at this. It's all nicely cooked. So I'll turn off the gas. Look at each grain is separate. Every single grain is separate. As you see, the rice is nicely done. So what I will be doing, I'm going to remove half of it. This is going to be the top layer, and that's going to be our bottom layer. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking on a simmer. As we see, the masala is fully cooked, and the fish does not take that long to cook. So just with the soft hand, mix it well, just like this. Salmon does not take that long to cook. I'll bring the pot on the back burner. Now on a simmer, we're going to put the griddle. I'll bring the other pot, which half rice is left. Make sure that we spread it evenly. Now we're going to get the fish pieces, all the salmon pieces. We're going to lay out just like this. Now we're going to make sure that we scoop out all the gravy and put it on top of it. This is all the delicious masala. So we're going to make sure we take it off. Now we're going to add, this is the fried onion. How to make a fried onion, I do have a poster video on my channel, so please check it out. Cilantro, which is dhania, coriander leaves, and mint. Green chili. These are the rice, we pulled it out earlier. So we'll put it on top. So we're going to make sure that we spread it evenly just like this. It's nicely covered. Now we're going to add more coriander leaf. This is the keva water. I added the food color. So we're going to put like this. And this is saffron. Fried onion, more cilantro, mint leaves, and lastly add lemon juice. I'm going to get heavy duty aluminum foil, place it on top of it. Place it on top like this. Put the lid on top of it. And then press it down. Once we're going to press it down, it's going to seal it really well. Once it's fully seated, we're going to bring the aluminum foil on top. On a griddle for dum, it's very important. As for biryani, we need to give a dum. We're going to cook it for 15 minutes on simmer. So after 15 minutes of dum, I will turn off the gas, and then we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll open it. It's exactly 15 minutes on dum. Turn off the gas, and now we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to open our delicious fish biryani. Waiting for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. This is good thing with these pots. When you put the aluminum foil, it seals really well. We don't need a dough to seal it. So now I'm going to open it. So if we check, look at this. It's so delicious. Wow. If you look, the salmon is fully cooked. The fish don't take that long to cook. It's nice. It's perfectly cooked. I'm going to get the serving platter, and look at this. Delicious fish biryani. All those nice color, the food color. Let me take it out and let me share with you. Our very tasty and delicious fish biryani is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. And please comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.